So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, there's going to be two commands down below in the description. You just want to copy and paste both of them. So for the first one, it's going to be starting with Get-AppXPackage. We're just going to highlight the first one. It's going to be down below. Once you highlight this, you're going to do Control-C to copy it. So Control-C, which is going to copy it. Now we're going to come back to PowerShell and then do Control-V to paste it. And then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the second one, it's going to start with PowerShell --executionPolicy. We're going to copy this one. So we're going to highlight the second one, do Control-C to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Control-V on your keyboard to paste it. And then click on enter. And then once you've done that, we're now going to close out of this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you're now going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete that final scan, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.